Hey everyone, welcome to another video in SMP. Today we are gonna learn some herbs' names according to their etymology, so let's get started. Basil comes from Latin basileus and Greek meaning royal or kingly plant, possibly because the plant was used in production of royal perfumes. Sage comes from the Latin word salvia, that the meaning is healthy plant, and salvus, which means safe. Oregano comes from the Greek words orous, means mountains, and also ganos, which means joy. Joy of the mountains, probably because oregano grows on green mountains. Rosemary, it has the roots in the Latin language. It's derived from the words ros and marinus, which mean dew and of the sea, because the plant is native to the Mediterranean region and the leaves have a dewy fragrance. Mint has its roots from the Greek word mintha, which refer to the plant's strong aroma. Also, some say this word is personified as a nymph and transformed into an herb by Persephone. Thyme is derived from the Greek word thymos, which means to fumigate, and refers to the aroma generated by the burning of thymes in ancient Greek temples. Parsley comes from the Greek word petroselenin, which meant rock celery, because it thrives on rocks and walls. Coriander comes from the Greek word korianin, a combination of koris, a stinking bug, and anon, which means fragrant anise. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe our channel and support us with your positive energy.